Inspect the package to ensure there is no damage. Open the packaging box. Take out the analyzer. Check if any items are missing from the box and verify that all items are intact. Power cord. Power adapter. Barcode scanner. Barcode scanner cord. USB 2 serial port line for after-sales use. QC test card. Instruction manual. Warranty card. Certificate of conformity. Connect the barcode scanner to the barcode scanner cord. Connect the power adapter to the power cord. Connect the power adapter to the analyzer. Connect the power cord to a power strip. Connect the scanner to the analyzer.